Welcome to Yoga Alliance's new website tutorial series. My name is Toni, and today I'll be walking you through Yoga Alliance's Directory of Teachers and Schools. Our directory is available to anyone interested in deepening their yoga practice, whether you're new to yoga or a longtime Yoga Alliance member. If you're looking to practice yoga online or in person, click Discover Yoga in the menu, then Find a Yoga Teacher. If you're hoping to find an in-person class near you, we recommend you start by entering your location. If you can narrow down to a city rather than typing in a country, that is the most effective way to search. After you click search, you'll find a host of Yoga Alliance credential teachers. If you're interested in a specific kind of teacher or class, perhaps you're interested in gentle yoga, you can use the navigation tool. From there, you can view teachers' profiles and select the right one for you. Yoga Alliance lists teachers' websites so that you can easily sign up for a class. Please note that teachers set their prices, and the best way to find the price of a class is by visiting that teacher's website. If you're looking to become a yoga teacher, navigate to deepen your practice, then find a yoga school. From there, click the search button. This launches our full directory. There you can toggle between teachers who offer yoga classes, schools who can help you become a Yoga Alliance credentialed teacher, and continuing education to guide you on the next step of your yoga teacher journey. For now, let's stay in the Schools tab. If you're hoping to take a class from anywhere in the world, maybe you can't find a class near you, click Online Services Available. If you're taking a class in another country, you may want to type in language parameters. You can also tailor the directory search to fit your schedule under training formats. For example, if you work full-time, you may want to select weekends only. Whether you know exactly what you're looking for, or you're simply hoping to find a teacher or school near you, our site is designed to guide you in the right direction wherever you are in your yoga journey. Thanks so much for joining me today. See you next time. More yoga, better world.